Hi all, welcome to Easy Cooking. Today I'm going to show you the other way of making chicken paratha. This is very easy and simple to make and it's very delicious too. Now let's get started. In a bowl of 1 cup of wheat flour, add salt and mix the chicken minced masala which we have already shown prepared in the previous videos. I'll just give the link below it. I don't want to repeat the same. This is like a minced chicken masala mixed with potato. So our masala is ready and the wheat flour is ready. A handful of finely chopped onion. Just take it and mix it with a fork and don't add water at this point. Let it mix and the water content in the masalas get absorbed by the wheat flour. Once everything is get dried and been absorbed by the wheat flour, try to add little bit of sprinkle some water and then mix it so that it became a very good paste. This particular mixture don't make your hand messy. The thing is, like, chicken masala is already having little bit of oil content and we are sprinkling the water, so it comes out so nicely in like a big dough. And then you cut it into how many pieces you want. You can make it into a pieces. I have taken into 5 pieces. Just knead the dough as nicely as possible. Maximum 5 to 5 minutes is enough to make this particular dough. Make it into roundels. Close the lid, otherwise it get dried out. Just dust it in the wheat flour bowl and then start rolling it like a chapati or roti. If you want, you can dust extra flour as well so that it don't stick into the rolling pan. Once you get the paratha ready, just put it in the pan and put it in high flame because it needs to get cooked. So keep it in high flame. Once the steam comes out, you just put the atta in the chapati paratha rolled and dressed with ghee. Ghee gives a soft effect to the paratha, and the onion which is getting cooked will give you the sweet flavor. So it will be like an yummy paratha will be ready. You can have separately with a butter or with a yogurt or with raita. And my way of making as a package is like I used to add ketchup as well as some green chutneys. It used to be very yummy. Thank you for watching.